Hi everybody, we are on the Hood platform today and we are going to be further exploring Turtle. So once you've logged in, scroll down and click on Just Too Easy. And then we are going in to JIT5 and along the top here back into Turtle. I've chosen this background just because I thought we could add a few different sprites on here. Okay, so we've got a blue car. But we're going to add some other sprites as well. I thought we'd go for the green car there, and all the instructions that you give these cars will come up into these boxes here. Okay, so if you turn this one around, okay, we're going to have a go at parking it in one of these spaces. So press forward and forward again. Turn the car and forward again. Okay, and we're going to do the same. You can see here we did right, forward, forward, right, forward, forward. And let's see if we can do the same with the blue one. Okay, so we're going to turn it around. So turn to the right, and then we're going to go forward, forward again, forward again. Okay, if we turn here, forward, we're not quite in our line this side, are we? There we go. Now, if we were to put this back now into the same position over here, it should drive. Oh, both of them are going to go for it. Okay, so all of those instructions are followed each time. Okay, when you want to start a new slide, a new page, and you just come up here and you can pick then, maybe have a go at a desert adventure this time. Explore and see what you enjoy doing out of all of these turtles, and good luck with all of those instructions. Bye.